Hi, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the enhanced UAE Family Office Database. It is the 2026 version, and it has never been offered before. To be clear, this is the most comprehensive and up-to-date database of UAE family investment offices ever compiled, period. Okay, now we're over on the spreadsheet part. Let's take a look here. And the spreadsheet has the firms, so the family investment offices. And the second sheet is going to have the key contacts. We're going to start off with the firms first. And if you notice on the very top, we've got firm name, and I'm going to go down to the bottom. And you can see here there are 196 firms. And you can see we've got information on their background. Now the enhanced part is the parts in yellow that you're going to see. And what I've done is I've taken a bit more effort to put in some research here, showing some of their notable investments, their recent news, if it's available. On this type, we've got the firm type, so it's either going to be single or multi-family office. Scroll a little bit further on, you're going to get the basic columns such as city, country. These are all UAE, of course. You're going to get address, website, company, email, bit of information of assets under management, year established. But as we get a little bit further on, we get to the most important parts. And this database really focuses mainly on, do they invest in private equity? Do they invest in real estate, natural resources, infrastructure, that sort of thing. So you can see here, we've got invested in private equity, and if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see almost everyone here is yes. Most of the people that come to me for these type of databases are really looking at private equity or real estate. That's my main focus, so that's what I try to do when I'm consolidating the database. Now this is an institutional grade database that has been compiled using two other institutional grade databases. They're some of the largest ones out there, and that's how I keep up my records. My family investment office databases are probably the most comprehensive in the world, and they're a great place for you to start if you're looking to raise capital in those sectors. So you've got the private equity sector preferences, geography, industries, some of the verticals. Do they welcome first-time funds? Do they welcome co-invest? So on and so on. If I scroll over to the right here, you're going to get information the same as on things like private debt, natural resources. Now, where this database stands out is on these items here in yellow. I have the outreach, positioning, engagement strategy, and the personalization hooks already filled in to give you a bit of an idea how you should approach these groups. These are not databases that you should do spam, bulk emails on. These are one-to-one contacts. So what I've done is made sure that I have used enough research in here to guide you along the way. For example, this one here says real estate centric family office with legacy property holdings. Your approach would be direct investment or JV opportunities in real estate, focus on stability, income generation. So you can see there's a fair bit of data in for most of these that are going to help you as far as how you want to reach out to them. So this is going to give you a very good idea and an opportunity for you to create a good outreach strategy. Now let's take a look at the UAE Family Investment Office key contact sheet. So here we've got about 440 contacts. Now, not all of them are going to have emails, but about 95% of them are going to have LinkedIn if you want to check out their LinkedIn. You can also use some domain searching and matching for emails in these cases. For example, if the person has a email domain, then it's easy to try to match up the following ones. But in almost every one of these, you're going to have multiple contacts. So what do we have up here? Again, we've got the investor or the family office name, the firm type. You're getting their name, their role, their job title, asset class that they specialize in. Now, I've made this really simple. I've included all the private equity and the real estate ones here. Again, those are the two main sectors that I deal with. You're getting their emails, and again, their direct telephone number if it's available. Now, more information on what is in this particular database is going to be on the website, so you can fill in the blanks as far as how many contacts you're getting and so on. Now, again, this is the updated version as we're sitting here in late April 2026. It is the most comprehensive database of UAE family investment offices that you're going to find. For more information, contact DubaiInvestorsList.com. That's DubaiInvestorsList.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.